On the grid, reflect the shaded triangle in the mirror line. Now the word reflect literally means a flip across the mirror line. You're flipping this triangle over the mirror line. Now, if reflection is something you struggle with, what I would recommend is that you actually use some tracing paper to do this. So you'll get given some tracing paper for your exam. Mostly you will use that for rotations, but you can also use it for reflections. What I would do is I would get some tracing paper, trace over that shape, and then get your ruler, put the ruler on the mirror line, so you've got your paper and then your ruler sits on top of your paper, and then fold that paper across that ruler, and then your shape will show the reflection on the other side. So then you gently take your ruler out from under the paper, and then you can see where that shape is reflected over the mirror line. The other way that you can do it is just by looking at points on the grid. So I would pick points that are actually on the squares behind. So this here, this point here, is on the actual grid here. And you can see that that is one square from the mirror line. And if it's one square from the mirror line, then you need to go one square on the other side. So this point here is now a reflection. So the red point is a reflection of the blue point. I'm not going to pick this point here or this point here because it's not actually on a square of the grid behind. Sorry, it's not actually on a cross of the point of the grid behind. So this one here is on a cross. And I can see that that is 3 squares there, 3 squares from the mirror line. So I'm going to go 3 squares on the other side. And this red point here is a reflection of the blue point on the right. Same with this point. This is actually on a cross on the grid behind, whereas this point here and this point here are not. So this cross here is 1 square from the mirror line, so I'm going to go 1 square from the mirror line on the other side, and now this red point here is a reflection of the blue cross on the right. And now I can see where this is going. So I'm going to join up this point here with that cross. I'm going to keep going to join up that cross. I'm going to go back here to join up that cross and back to there. And that completes my reflection of the shaded triangle in the mirror line.